People who practice meditation often say that it changed their life and helped them find peace within themselves. And hey, scientists agree with this claim, confirming that meditation not only reduces stress and improves your physical well-being, it's also good exercise for the brain. Alright, so you're ready to give it a shot, but you have no idea where to begin and what to do. Don't worry, this guide will definitely help you out. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new videos. Preparation. Meditation is a very personal process. Thankfully, there are several techniques to choose from to find your cup of tea. But the first step here isn't figuring out which method works for you, it's preparing for this experience. Choosing the place where you'll be meditating and checking that the environment is suitable are both critical. Meditation requires a certain atmosphere and a good amount of time, so make sure that you won't be interrupted or distracted by anything or anyone. If you're gonna do it at home, it's better to wait till you're alone. Don't forget to turn off your TV and any other noisy devices. Put your phone on silent too, unless you want to use it to play special calming meditation music to help you concentrate more. Meditating outside is also great, especially if you choose a park or any other picturesque location. Just ensure that you have privacy there so that you can focus. The clothes you wear during meditation are also very important. They should be loose-fitting and comfortable. If you end up deciding to meditate somewhere other than at home, this rule still applies. Of course, you want to look great in front of other people, but tight or unsuitable clothing, no matter how cute it is, will only make you feel uncomfortable, ruining the whole experience. Meditation is a time to connect with yourself, not to show off. So stick to cozy shirts and pants if you want to get the best out of it. When you're meditating, you have to sit the whole time, so doing a couple of simple exercises will help prepare your body. Stretching is the best way to go. Pay special attention to stretching your neck, shoulders, and lower back. They usually get tense first. Now that you're all prepped and ready to roll, it's time to learn exactly how to meditate and what techniques you can use. Basic meditation. Any kind of meditation is done sitting or lying down. Seasoned meditators can assume the lotus position, which is sorta like crisscross applesauce, but with the soles of your feet turned up toward the ceiling. If it's impossible for you to bend that way, just get as comfortable as possible and close your eyes. As you practice meditation more and more, you'll be able to do it with your eyes open too. Still, for beginners, it's better to start with closed eyes. Breathe naturally and focus your attention on your breath and how your body moves each time you inhale and exhale. Don't try to control your breathing or think about its pace or intensity. Don't let any other thoughts distract you. Just focus on your body and yourself. If you're completely new to meditation, it's advisable to start with 5 minutes a day and increase the amount of time you do it every week. Most experienced meditators can do it for 20 minutes a day. Also, be sure to do it at the same time each day so that it becomes habitual more easily. After each session, you'll feel so relaxed and calm, and you'll only get better at it with time. But this is just the simplest type of meditation you can do, and it's a great one to start with. As for other techniques you can use once you've made meditation a part of your daily routine, we're about to get into that right now. Concentration meditation. This method isn't that hard. All you have to do is focus solely on one thing. It can be your breathing, just like we mentioned, or repeating one word or mantra over and over again. Listening to a repetitive sound or even staring at a certain point works too. As you get to it, you'll realize that it's way more difficult than you thought. Truly focusing your mind on one thing without letting it wander from one point to another takes time and practice. But it brings wonderful inner harmony and a new sense of calm with it. Plus, if you do this often, you'll find that problems with focusing at work or school won't be issues for you. Mindfulness meditation. You can also try mindfulness meditation. This type encourages you to closely observe all the thoughts that appear in your mind. Your task isn't to judge them, you just have to acknowledge each and every one of them and be aware of their appearance. With repeated practice, you'll notice that your thoughts and feelings move in particular patterns. You'll stay in touch with yourself more, accept yourself and your subconscious, and find that inner balance. Mantra meditation. Since we briefly mentioned these things called mantras, we should delve further into what they're all about. Mantra meditation basically involves repeating a specific sound, word, or phrase over and over again until you silence your mind and enter a deeper meditative state. Your mantra can be anything, but there are a few of them that are especially common and popular. You've probably heard of the Om mantra. Om is said to be the first sound heard at the creation of the universe. Pretty crazy, huh? When pronouncing each syllable fully, you'll feel the energy of the sound rising from your pelvis to your head. Om is also believed to unblock the throat chakra, which results in more effective communication skills. Another good mantra is Sat Nam. If you're repeating it, you should prolong the first A, like Sat Nam, basically, so that Sat is about 8 times longer than Nam. This mantra translates to Truth is my name. It's said to help find intuition and even improve your sex drive. Om Tat Sat is yet another mantra you may want to memorize. It's a Hindu mantra, the 3 words that denote the absolute truth. Om refers to the infinite spirit, Tat means all that is, and Sat is truth. Put it all together and you get the infinite spirit is the only truth. And finally, Om Shanti 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 is another useful mantra you should have under your belt. We already know what Om stands for. As for Shanti, it means peace. In both Hindu and Buddhist traditions, this mantra calls for peace of mind, body, and speech. So 3 Shantis means 1 peace for each aspect of ourselves. And you shouldn't stop there. Even your favorite inspirational quotes can be your mantra. For instance, you can repeat to yourself the famous "Be the change you wish to see in the world" quote by Gandhi. "I change my thoughts, I change my world" by Norman Vincent Peale, or "Love is the only miracle there is" by Osho. You can make it absolutely anything, whether it's asking for forgiveness or assuring yourself that you're strong and confident. That's the beauty of meditation. You can see what's missing in your world and figure out the one thing you need for inner balance, and then slowly build this missing component within yourself. It's like a superpower, really. Definitely something we should all at least give a try. The benefits. If you're still on the fence about giving meditation a go, then maybe learning about the amazing health benefits it brings will convince you. There's been a ton of research on the positive effects meditation has on your whole body. In one study, over 3,500 adults, researchers from the Department of Medicine at Johns Hopkins University confirmed that meditation significantly reduces stress levels. Another study conducted by specialists from the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Massachusetts Medical Center followed up with 18 volunteers after they'd completed their 8-week meditation program and practiced daily meditation for 3 years. The study concluded that meditation reduces the symptoms of anxiety disorders, such as phobias, social anxiety, and panic attacks, to name a few. Not too shabby, right? Other benefits of meditation that have been confirmed by the scientific community include lower blood pressure and blood cortisol levels, as well as improved blood circulation, among others. So why are you still hesitating? You can at least give it a try, right? Just give yourself some time and don't give up simply because you feel like it's not working for you. Nothing happens overnight, and it'll take time and practice to achieve successful meditations. But once you get there, you'll see that it was definitely worth every second of it. What do you think? Is meditation a must or just a waste of time? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.